In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade P2P using Binance. Head to Binance.com. You can also use it on your phone. And then after that, search for the trade tab. In the phone, you're going to find more and you're going to click on it. You're going to find P2P right here. Note that to trade with P2P, you have to either own Bitcoin or either want to buy it. If you do like to buy, follow along. If you would like to sell, skip 30 seconds ahead. So, if you would like to buy some crypto using P2P, for example, I'm going to suppose that you are in the US. Choose your fiat currency from here. A fiat currency is what's your real world currency. Make sure that you are having a payment method. For the payment method, you can see that there's a lot. There's YZL, RTM, Skrill as well. A lot of payment methods. Even Cash App. As you can see. After you choose the payment method and everything you would like, find the person that you would like to buy from. Make sure that the person has some high relatively orders and some high completion rate. See the available amounts and then click on buy. Here you are going to put the amount that you have and that you would like to pay and the amount that you receive in USDT. To sell, all you have to do is click on the sell tab. All you have to do is click on the sell tab right here, and under the sell tab you are going to choose the fiat currency, choose the payment method, choose the region as well if you would like, and choose the amount that you have of USDT, or if you have any other currency. You can find right here the currencies that are being traded in this country. For example, there's USDT, BTC, BUSD, BNB, and a lot. DAI, ADA, SHIB, and then choose the amount that you would like and click on sell after choosing the person that has the amount that you would like, the price that you would like, and the payment method that you are looking for. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day and goodbye.